To share the animation of the results, go to the FlowSight program. Wait until the program will open. From OpenFlow 3D results file, find your file after running. Okay, this is the body of water, and this is the channel. Change the color also. Now the mesh blocks are visible. I don't need to be visible. Just untick them. Okay. What results you need to create animation for? For example, I need velocity distribution animation. From the ISO surface list, I have velocity. If you don't like the minimum and maximum limit for the velocity profile, just change the limit you can find here. For example, I need from 0 to 1. And let us know which location you need to be visible in the animation. For example, if you need to see the whole project in the animation, or you need to see just the location of the piers, you need to rotate. If you like to see in any direction, you can just rotate the geometry. For example, I need to see like this. This window will be visible in the animation. Anything available in this window, you can see in the exporting animation. From this left side, you see play. Play, it means the animation will start. For example, now start from 0 to 30 seconds. Okay, this is the animation, but before exporting, pause the animation and switch to the end. Must be at the end, not as 0. To share the photo for this window, if you need to share the photo of this window, from here you see save image. At the right of this image, you see specify location. Choose specify location and click on the photo. For example, I need on the desktop in the name of velocity. This is just photo, not animation. Now the photo must be created on the desktop. This is the photo of the window, of the velocity profile for this window. If you need to share the photo of pressure, but you need to change the limits of the pressure, click on the pressure here. I need to start from 0 and to 1000, for example. This is pressure distribution in the channel. Another time, specify location and click on the photo, also in the desktop, and now pressure. Save. Okay, now in the desktop must be pressure available. This is the photo of pressure result. For the animation, click on this icon, create animation. This box will open. You see the format of the file. Select the MPEG movie, and from the compression, select MPEG 4. The actual this resolution is, let us remain 1.5 times actual size, and the frame rate change to 2. Final frame, let us remain from 0 to 10. Initial frame, let us remain as it is written from here. In some cases, maybe it depends on the time from 0 to 10. If you run for example, 100 seconds, this initial and final frames maybe increase something. And from the location, just select the location of your animation from the desktop, I need to write the name of this animation as pressure animation and save. Now click on create. Just wait until this frames reach to the 11. So you need to wait until these frames are finished. Then directly the animation will save on the specified location you selected from here. I selected the desktop. It needs some time. You need to wait. It depends on the number of frames here. Okay, now the frames are finished. Animation file generated. Okay. Go to the desktop. You see this file from here, pressure animation.mp4. Double click on the file. You see the animation of the pressure. Okay, another time, if I need to create the animation for the velocity profile. Okay, another time, the frame, if you change the frame rate to 1, for example, what happened? Select the location, desktop, and write the name of velocity animation. Save and click on create. Wait until the number of frames will finish. In some cases, maybe required, for example, if I have a case 200 seconds, we have here just 30 seconds. But if you have, for example, 200, 300 seconds, maybe you need 10 minutes to finish these frames to create the animation, one animation. Okay, the number of animations are finished, 11 out of 11, and animation file generated. Now we can see the velocity animation on the desktop, and you see here the animation of the velocity. If you see, we have a difference between this velocity animation and pressure animation. This velocity animation finished in 11 seconds, but pressure animation finished in how much seconds? Wait, in 5 seconds. Why? For example, if you change to 5 frame rate, maybe the velocity animation will finish in just 2 seconds. If you change the rate frame to 0.5, maybe the animation of the velocity will finish in 20 seconds. It depends on the frame rate. You like any frame rate you can choose. It depends on you. But normally I use 1. It gives us the good animation quality. I like frame rate 1.